Is it time to buy or sell Aduro Clean Technologies common stock? In this video, we will be examining Aduro Clean Technologies common stock in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 6th of October, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 8th of September 2025, our system has ranked Aduro Clean Technologies common stock as a hold or accumulate, giving it a score of 0. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 37.93% since we first recommended purchasing Aduro Clean Technologies common stock 21 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.81% per day since it was listed as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. For any potential pullback, support now lies at the level of $15.11, a point that may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $18.45 is projected to be the next possible peak level, which could serve as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the initial attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 26.54% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 6.92% to positive 19.52%. Our latest daily update for Aduro Clean Technologies common stock includes the headline: on Monday, Aduro Clean Technologies Inc. common stock price gained an impressive 6.03%. The Aduro Clean Technologies Inc. common stock price rose 6.03% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 6th of October, 2025, moving up from $15.09 to $16. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 6.57%, with a low of $15.09 and a high of $16.08. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, showing a rise of 17.91% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 70,000 shares, with a total of 368,000 shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $5,890,000. It is important to note that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $16.08, while the lowest price was $3.49. Currently, the price stands at 0.51%, or 8.2 cents below the 52-week high of $16.08, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Analysts have assigned Aduro Clean Technologies common stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Aduro Clean Technologies common stock. Aduro Clean Technologies Inc. common stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of corrections downwards, support can be expected at levels of $13.93 and $12.45. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, September 25, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 28.41%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, close attention should be paid to the stock. Some negative signals have also been generated, and these could impact short-term developments. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 27 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 111 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 98 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Aduro Clean Technologies common stock. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $15.09 and $13.93. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this could lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this case, Aduro Clean Technologies Inc. common finds support just below today's level at $15.09. If this support is breached, the next levels from accumulated volume will be at $13.93 and $12.95. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 99 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 6.57%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.72%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Aduro Clean Technologies common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 31st of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 11 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Aduro Clean Technologies common stock. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Aduro Clean Technologies common stock faces its first support level at $15.09. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.48, representing a decline of 3.24%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. There is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 7 days ago. Is Aduro Clean Technologies common stock a good buy? Aduro Clean Technologies Incorporated common holds several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient to label it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning investors might choose to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a hold candidate. After evaluating the volatility and movements for the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 7th of October, we anticipate Aduro Clean Technologies common stock to open lower by 276 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $15.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.